Earn $300 per free GIF you download. Make money online. Hello YouTube family, welcome back to e-commerce know-how. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to earn $300 for every GIF you download. Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. For users of Facebook, Twitter, and other social media messaging sites, GIF images have become ubiquitous and are increasingly used as a forms of expression. For example, instead of using the internet slang lol or laughing out loud, a user could attach a GIF video clip of someone laughing hysterically. GIF is an acronym of Graphic Interchangeable Format, a popular bitmap image format introduced by CompuServe in 1987. Now, a startup company named Giphy is taking GIFs mainstream with its massive searchable database that attracts tens of millions of people each month. As GIF grows in popularity among social media users and advertisers, Giphy is on the verge of becoming the next content media AdSense. Doesn't GIF Facebook like the service so much, so it bought Giphy in May of 2020 for a reported $400 million and will roll it into its Instagram and Messenger platforms. How Giphy works. The use of GIFs in social expressions seems to piggyback the popularity of emoji characters, which are used to express whatever feelings a person might have at the time. Many of the GIFs that appears in social media are soundless, loop video clips of a character or a scene from a TV show or movie, which can be much more expressive and dynamic than emoji. Giphy was founded in 2013 by Alex Chung and Jake Cook, who decided to compile a database of GIFs that could be used in place of words to express feelings. They built a search engine, compiled a database of around 15,000 GIFs, and created the Giphy website. The database and the numbers of users have grown significantly, with as many as 700 million users accessing more than 10 billion GIFs per day as of May 2020. Users search of a GIFs using a keyword and then choose from among the resulting images. They can copy and paste the image into a text message or share it on social media. Giphy recently came out with a mobile applications for easier access on smartphones and tablets. Giphy also has grown on the content creator side of the business. For example, individuals and businesses can now create their GIFs on the Giphy website, and which provides artists with tools to create dazzling GIFs with animations or video footage. Artist creations can be viewed on the site's art gallery. Giphy recently introduced a Giphy Cam app that lets users make their GIFs with video footage recorded with their smartphone cameras. User can easily upload footage to the site, where Giphy provides desktop tools for creating the GIF and then seamlessly share their creations anywhere. During the promotions of the latest Star Wars movie, Giphy partnered with Disney to add filters in the desktop tools that cause Star Wars ships to fly around in the video. Although no money exchanged in hand for that particular arrangement, it became a little clearer how Giphy expects to generate revenues going forward. How Giphy makes money. The world's biggest search engines of GIFs hasn't monetized its service yet. Unlike its biggest competitor, IMGUR, Giphy has no plans yet to earn money through promoted posts. Giphy's operating model is a lot different from that of IMGUR. Unlike IMGUR, which is an image sharing and hosting service provider, Giphy is a search engine, and according to Adam Lipson, the chief operating officer at Giphy, they do have plans to make money like other search engines. So, we have a search query and a search result, and we are the biggest search engines inside of messengers that anyone has ever built. And so, we are a big search engine. You can look at other search engines about how money gets made. As Giphy doesn't own the rights of the images, it cannot generate revenues from licensing or selling them. The only option left is to earn money by showing sponsored results of the search queries of the users, just like what Google does. Since Giphy has integrated its services with various chat boxes, keyboards, and social networking websites, it won't be difficult for it to get clients. Giphy has partnered with many big brands and artists who showcase their content in the form of GIF. Many motive behind these partnerships is to get more brands on board, which will later pay for putting their content at the top of the search results. Giphy doesn't charge brands and artists to open up a brand channel though. The company currently has less than 100 employees and can meet its expenses because of the huge amount of funding it has received till now. The largest search engine in the world by total searches, only behind Google, Giphy serves over 10 billion GIFs daily across messaging and social media apps. Revenue from brand licensing. Giphy has partnered with over 200 companies and brands to host their existing content on their branded channel. With GIFs being searched and shared across all social media channel, brands can increase the chance of their content being seen and shared across messaging and social media apps, and earns hundreds of millions of meaningful brand impressions. GIFs provide a new medium of marketing that is currently underutilized by brands. Get your stickers and GIFs into Instagram stories and get paid. Giphy can help brands and artists to get Giphies, GIFs, and stickers into Instagram stories. If you don't already have an account, you can apply for a brand or artist channel here. At this time, only content from approved brand and artist channels on Giphy can become available in Instagram stories. There are no opportunities for paid placement in Instagram stories, and all content eligible for distributions will be moderated. Unfortunately, we are unable to expedite moderations or provide specific turnaround times. Once content has been moderated, it will become available in our library. However, some of our partners like Instagram only allow content that is appropriate for all ages. That means if your content contains all the adult themes, it may not be available across all Giphy integrations. Additionally, stickers must meet certain requirements to appear in Giphy integrations. How to earn money through downloads of GIFs. You can earn money from promoting the download of animated GIFs. It is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a great way to earn money online. You can do it from anywhere, at any time of the day you choose. You need a laptop and internet connections. You don't need money to get started, and you don't need to have a lot of technical knowledge. It's a great way to earn money for all age groups. It works for those fresh out of college who wants to travel, for stay-at-home parents, and for those who want or need to retire and make income more easily from home. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss on any amazing video from us.